Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we're doing a not actually an unboxing but kind of a farewell to one of the first things that I got when I got back into this hobby. Basically what we have here is a Kyosho Sand Master ready to run. I usually don't pick up ready to run vehicles, but I really liked the way this one looked, so that's why I picked it up. I picked it up at Ultimate Hobbies in Orange, California. It was on sale at the time, so I thought, why not? But take a look at the box. Here, this particular one is red, but it came in red, yellow, and blue variations. They actually have more colors now, but this is what it started out with. This side of the box. This buggy came with an electronic speed controller as well as a brushed motor. I believe it was a 27 turn brushed motor, and we'll take a look. It comes with a radio system as well. So I've already done some upgrades to this buggy, but we'll go ahead and take a look at how it sits, and I'll kind of point out which things are upgrades and which aren't. Alright, the first thing we have here is the radio. Right here, nothing too fancy. It's the Kyosho's synchro system, 2.4 gigahertz radio. Up here, it's got the it's the KT200. It's got the manual trims for throttle, steering. It's got some dual rate trim right here, and endpoint adjustments up here. These are all analog. And then your steering and throttle reverse. Alright. Alright, Sand Master. What also comes in here is the instruction booklet. So it's a really nice looking buggy. You can kind of see why I would, kind of pick it up, even though it's RTR. Here's the brush motor. This LED fog light kit right here is an add-on. Kind of zoom in so you can take a look. Alright, so this LED fog light kit here is actually an add-on. That was option part. Another option part I converted these shocks to oil-filled shocks. The RTR comes with these shocks as a friction shock setup, and you can buy seals and O-rings to convert this to an oil shock setup. It actually still uses the same shock body housing and the springs and whatnot. The other thing I changed out was the transmission housing. So the original one over here, came with a transmission that had a housing that was kind of secured by tabs, and the problem with that is every time you remove it, it didn't come off very easily, and you can see that this tab actually broke off here. So the option transmission housing replaces those tabs with screws, if you can see right there, and that's all that was done to the truck. Take a look underneath, and battery tray just pops out like that and opens up. One of the other cool things about this car is most of these panels are just held on by tabs, so you can just pull them off like so, and you can snap them back on so you can get to the ESC under there. So really nice looking buggy. I'm gonna miss it. Well, that's all I have as far as the introduction for the Kyosho Sand Master goes. Thanks for watching.